After receiving our 3 perfect signals for a move up, price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and a buy signal, Cardano is already on the move up towards structure resistance. In this video, we're going to be reassessing, seeing where Cardano could go next, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what we're going to be looking for. With that, let's jump in. Before we get started though, I do want to let you know you can get access to all 3 of these indicators that called this move up on sale right now till the end of the day today, 5 p.m. on May 29th. You can get these for up to $450 off just as a happy Memorial Day. With that, let's dive into the charts. Going to take you to the TradeConfident.io website. Just as an update, we are 21 wins, 0 losses. So if you're a member with us, be sure to check out our trading page to get those updates. But for now, we're going to go over to the Cardano Metrics and we're going to check out the Cardano Emotional Index. On this move up, we saw a move on the metric into excited territory. Most often, this will result in moves down, and that's already kind of what we're seeing here. Personally, I'd like to see a move up into greedy before we see any drastic moves down, but it looks like the price is already heading down for now. I don't expect this to last long though, because as we head into the Cardano volatility breakout detector, we're seeing intense volatility at this point to correlate with this move. Most often when we reach low volatility, as we did recently, this is where we're seeing those impulse moves. So I'm very excited to see a move up here. Personally, I think this could continue for a little bit of time. Now, if we move on to the Cardano Whale Smart Money metric, we're seeing a move down to the short trade sentiment side, showing that whales are more likely to put in short trades at this point, especially as we reach below -600 and approach -800. That's when we're really expecting moves down in the market. However, again, I'm just feeling a little bit more bullish. I think we could get a little bit of a move up to the upside from this point before we see any drastic moves down. Moving on now to the Cardano major support and resistance levels. We bounced off of structure support just as expected at the 35-cent level. Now, there are other structure resistances, mainly right here that I'm looking at that I'll have to show you on the live charts. But if we manage to break above that, there is the 41.37 cent structure resistance. I don't expect to hit that quite yet. Again, structure resistance right here is where I'm looking at, and I'll show you exactly where that is on the live charts. Moving on to the Cardano long versus short trades, we saw a tick up in the long trades and a tick down in the short trades. Both of these on their own will result in moves up, but when we see them combined as we do right now, this is where we're seeing pretty intense moves, and this is part of why I'm still a little bit bullish on Cardano. And last but not least is the Cardano daily trade scanner. Of course, when we see these buy signals, this is exactly where we're seeing a move up. Now, this is actually the TC top and bottom finder in metric form. It's built to find those tops and bottoms in the market. You can see here when we got a bottom, we got a buy, top, we got a sell, top at a sell signal, we got lows, buy signals, and so on and so forth. This metric and the correlating indicator has been absolutely crushing it on Cardano. So if you want to get access to all of these metrics, you're going to want to pay attention to these daily, updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're a Cardano trader, you're going to want to check it out. And in order to get access to the membership to do so, you can grab the membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the metrics will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. The full access for $59 a month will get you access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website, as well as scalping trades and many more membership benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. With that, let's head to the live charts. Here we are looking at Cardano on the 1-day time frame. We're seeing a buy signal just popped that correlated with a move up, as we talked about. Price versus while money flow is showing whale money moving into the market. There's a slight downtick right here correlating to this red candle, but personally, until trend exhaustion is in its top red section, I do not consider this trend over yet. With that, I do expect whale money to continue moving up into the market. We saw this is a very slight uptrend. It took a little bit of time before we really moved up, and I expect that exact same thing to happen, even though we're testing a little bit of structure resistance right here. Personally, I think we're going to break through and hit structure resistance again at 39.82 cents. Now, from the current price, this works out to be only about a 3% move, but this will, from the buy signal right here, it'll actually total a 9.32% move that the indicators predicted. This is what I'm looking for, and these indicators called this perfectly. When you see this combination, this is when you're looking for moves up, and as we move up and test the structure resistance, again, I'll be looking for the price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and a sell signal. And at that point, if we get all 3 of these, this is when we're looking for the next move down in crypto, specifically Cardano, and that could be a good exit point. Of course, you're always going to want to do your own research, and that involves using high quality indicators and using them to your advantage. And you're going to want to take advantage of our Memorial Day sale today. It is $450 off these indicators until 5 p.m. Pacific time. Time is running out, and there's also a limited quantity, only 20 coupons available, so don't miss out. You can grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more in the indicator. The sale page will be right here. Very first link, go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our 1 day only Memorial Day indicator sale. Just go ahead and scroll down. The best possible deal will be to purchase the bundle pack first using code SAVEME50 at checkout. It'll include the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, several other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. In order to take advantage of the full $450 off, just click the bundle pack checkout link. Click I want this when it takes you to the store page. Make sure to use code SAVEME50. Click apply. It'll give you $50 off there. Then just make sure all your information is filled out. Click pay. And it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder here for $400 off, only $349 as opposed to the normal $749. Go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get your full $450 off. Go ahead and click pay and you are good to go. As Cardano moves up, I will be looking for the price versus well money flow to be high, trend exhaustion to be high, and a sell signal. And at that point, when we see this, especially as we test structure resistance at 39.82 cents, that is where I'm looking for the next move down in Cardano. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.